Hey guys, I know I have been offline, but I have some news. I made a half adder. The sum is a XOR, the carry is an AND. So A and B buttons activate sum. I have a special button to activate both so I can get carry. All of this took like a DK a week or two. Especially the logic gate. Now time for the logic gates I made. This is an inverter. I just inverted the light. Next is XOR. I used 2 buttons, but you can do 1 or 2 ACK blocks. This is a buffer, just a normal signal. This is my OR. This is an early design, but I'll fix it in the future. The secret is that there's another light inside. Now time for the rest. This is an XNOR. This is my NAND. I made it so that the button sends power while another part sends power, making it off then on for the 2 buttons. But a special button to activate both and turn the signal off. This and gate is just the NAND but inverted light. Now this is a NOR. I have a special button again to activate both buttons and turn off the signal. That is it for my logic blocks. PLS credit me if you want to use them, that I spent really hard making them.